Hi guys, so I received this today, September 10th in US. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing now. There are already videos on YouTube on Surface Duo, but most of the videos out there now are not a retail unit. This is a retail unit. So what you see here is what you'll get. Let's open it. All right, two very thin slabs attached in the middle by this hinge. And this hinge feels very sturdy. There's a fingerprint scanner here, power button, volume rocker, SIM tray. There's no logo or anything like that on the back side. And this is the bottom. The bottom has USB-C charging port, nothing else. And this is the hinge. You do need to put a little bit of pressure to open it, which is a good thing. You don't want the screens to be flopping around when you carry this. And if you want, you can flip it all the way like so. And you have two screens on the opposite side. Let's power this up. Checking for update, and now there's an update right out of the box, and I'm gonna go ahead and update. And while we wait, let's check what's inside the box. Surface Duo bumper. All right, it says specially designed to protect your device. Okay, let's open this. Now again, this is the retail unit, so what you see here is what you get if you decide to get this device. Okay, this blue tape cover, so if you peel this, there is an adhesive that goes around the inside of this bumper. Okay, looks like this is a charger. This is an 18-watt charging brick. Okay, SIM pin, book. Oh, okay, so the speaker was here. It runs from here to here. So that's the speaker. And it only has one speaker here. It's flash camera, and this is the only camera this device comes with. And the charging cable. Yeah, so this is everything you get in the retail unit. Oh, there you go. It says restarting. So I guess it's finished installing the update. This is all the options that you have on this phone right out of the box for the retail unit in the US. Now, fingerprint sensor is here. It says place your thumb or index finger on a fingerprint reader. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my index finger for now. It says fingerprint sensor is dirty, but I just got this phone. Could be my finger that's dirty. Okay, here we go. Next. All right, let's go. Okay, so that's interesting. Okay, everything is coming up now. There's all these pre-installed Microsoft app, Office, OneDrive. If you open this folder, you see OneNote, Outlook, Teams, Bing, Edge, Skype, LinkedIn. I'll play more with this phone because obviously I just got this phone and I'm not quite familiar with how this operating system works. So that was that. Okay, so that was a quick unboxing of the retail unit. In the coming days, I will make a review video including how the two screens are utilized, how well Surface Pen works on this device, because this is after all an Android device and not a Windows device. My video will also cover photos and videos shot with this device, and also how games run on Surface Duo. I hope you come back for more on this Micro Surface Duo. See ya!